Today we are going to discuss about insertion in arbitrary. When we add a new node to the arbitrary or an insertion take place, how it preserve all red black tree properties. So before going to that, we must remember what are the properties of a red black tree. First property is every node is either red or black. The root node must be black. Then every leaf, that is nil node, is black. If a node is red, then its both children are black. And the last property is for each node, all path from the node to descendant leaf contain the same number of black nodes. So what are the basic steps required to insert a new node into an arbitrary? First, when we insert a new node, then it follows the properties of BST, binary search tree insertion, and the color of the new node must be red. And if when we add a new node, then it will either it violate any properties of arbitrary, then we need to preserve or we need to fix that properties. For that, we are either perform a recoloring the node or performing some rotations to preserve the RB property. സോ നമ്മളിപ്പം ജസ്റ്റ് BST ബൈനറി സെർച്ച് ട്രീ ആണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു ആർബിട്രറി. അപ്പം സാധാരണ ഇൻസേർട്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ബൈനറി സെർച്ച് ട്രീയിൽ എങ്ങനെയാണോ ഇൻസേർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത് സെയിം മെത്തേഡിൽ തന്നെയാണ് ഇൻസേർട്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. പക്ഷേ നമുക്കിവിടെ ഒരു അഡീഷണൽ ആട്രിബ്യൂട്ട് ഉണ്ട്, കളർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പം നമ്മൾ ന്യൂ എപ്പോഴും ആഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന നോഡ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് റെഡ് ആയിരിക്കും, റെഡ് കളർ ആയിരിക്കും. ഇനിയിപ്പോൾ റെഡ് കളർ നമ്മൾ ഉള്ള ന്യൂ നോഡ് ആഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി വയലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ, നമ്മൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് 5 പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസ് പറഞ്ഞു, ആ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി വയലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്കതിനെ ഫിക്സ് ചെയ്യണം, പ്രിസർവ് ചെയ്യണം RB പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീനെ. അപ്പോൾ അതിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് ഒന്നുകിൽ റീകളറിങ് ടെക്നിക്ക് യൂസ് ചെയ്യാം, അതല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് റൊട്ടേഷൻസ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യാം. സോ അത് മെയിനായിട്ട് 3 കേസസ് ആണുള്ളത്. അതിനെ ബേസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ റീകളറിങ് ആണോ റൊട്ടേഷൻ ആണോ എന്ന് ഡിസൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Then here case 1, this is the case 1. In case 1, here Z is the new inserting node, that is B is, if we want to insert B, so B is the new inserting node and it denoted by a letter Z, and Z parent is A, B's parent is A, and it is represented as P of Z, and its grandparent is C, that is P of Z, and its uncle, Z ന്റെ uncle എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് is Y here. So here Z's uncle is red, that is the case 1. So Z is the right child. When we insert Z as a right child and its uncle is Y, then what will we do? Here there is a violation of parent and child, red parent child violation. So we need to fix this. So what will we do? We are recoloring is used here. Recoloring means we are make P of Z, color of P of Z to black. Also uncle's is black, and its grandparent, that is grandparent color becomes red. That is done here. Here first make is parent and uncle color black and make grandparent color to red, and now this is the new set. Grandparent become the new set. This is the case 1. Then second case, next case 1, there is a variation in the case 1. That is the new inserting node Z as a left child. If we insert the new node as a left child, then its color red and it's denoted as Z, and its uncle color also red. In the previous case, the new node is inserted as a right child of B, but now it's inserted as a left child of B, and its uncle color is Y. Then we are do the same things that is applied in the previous case. Make parent of Z and uncle becomes black, and his grandparent becomes red, and now the new node will be assigned as a grandparent child, assigned as a new Z. Then in the second case, case 2. In the case 2, Z's uncle Y is black. Here we are inserting the new node, B is new node and it is considered as a Z, and his parent is A and his grandparent is, that is P of Z. Grandparent is C and his uncle Y is in the color black. So what will we do? Here R is the right child. Then we assign parent of Z this as new Z, and we are rotating the tree left rotate based on this Z. First make this A as Z and rotate, left rotation take place here. Left rotation means here A is moved downwards and B goes upward. So here there is here, that is here A is as a left child of B, and now Z is the A is as assigned as a Z. So we move to the, this is the case 3. So this is the case 3. So move on to case 3. In the case 3, uncle is black. Here Y is black and Z is the left child. So what will we do? Here we are performing parent of Z. That is, here parent of Z is B. B is color, recoloring the B. That is, his color becomes now black. And its grandparent of Z is C. So its color changed to red. Then perform a right rotation based on this grandparent. That is, move this C2 downward and B becomes the root now. So it's changed like this. B is the root now and C and A are the children of B. So Z is the left child and C is grandparent become the right child, and here Y become the left child of grandparent. Here uh, this is a balanced tree. So there is no longer have two red in a row. Then this now is parent of Z now black. Then there is an example. Here we need to insert an element 4, node 4 to this here. First we check 11. 4 is less than 11. So move on the left subtree. So check again in the root 2. 2 is less than 4. It is less than 4. So move on to the right subtree. So here check again here 7. 7 is greater. So next we are checking that 5 is greater than 4. So it moved to the left and we insert 4 as a left child of 5. This is the first. So new inserting node is Z and its color becomes red. So here 5 is also red. There is a red parent child while relationship violation. So it violate the property, one of the properties of arbitrary. So we need to fix it. So we first check the angle of which case is this. Which case? This is the case 1 because its angle, its parent is 5, its angle is Z angle is 8. 8 is the color of 8 is red. So it's case 1. So Z and P of Z are both are red. So Z angle is red. So we are doing the case 1. It is in the form of case 1. Then in the case 1, how to fix it? We recoloring is performed here. So recolor the parent and angle. So ഇവിടെ പാരന്റും അങ്കിളിന്റെയും കളർ റീകളർ ചെയ്യുക, ബ്ലാക്ക് ആക്കുക. Its color becomes black and its grandparent color become red. That is done here. Its color black and grandparent color red. So here new Z is here, grandparent is the new Z. So here again look at here, it is a red parent child relationship is there. There is a violation of arbitrary property, so we need to fix this. So for that we are checking, this is the new Z and here P of Z is here and its angle color, we are checking the angle's color. Angle color is black. So Z is the right child and its angle is black. So case 2. So during the case 2, what will, this is Z and here Y. So Z and both are red, so violate the parent child relationship. So Z's angle color is black and Z is the right child. So case 2. So in the case 2, what will we do? We are performing a make parent as a Z and performing a left rotation. So left rotation means 2 is move downwards, 7 is move upwards. So it's become like this. 2 is move downwards and make it the 7's left subtree and 7's right subtree is 8. Then 7's left subtree become the right subtree of 2. Then now here again there is a violation of parent child red violation and its angle is Y. So here Z is the left child and Y angle Y color is black. So it's here the case is 3, case 3. So in the case 3, we are what we do? We are make this parent as a make the parent as black and make the grandparent as red and make a right rotation based on this parent. So here this is ഇവിടെ right rotation ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 11 is goes to downward, 7 is move upward and 7 become the black and 11 grandparent become red and move downwards. And here right subtree of 7 become the left subtree of 11. Remaining all are same. Here there is no red parent child relationship. It is a balanced tree. If we check the number of black nodes in every path, here it is 2, here it is 2, here it is 2 and here it is 2 are same. So this is the insertion procedure.